Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Mijor Putra Duta Manusi. Today I will do presentation material about analysis and reflection report with my friend Reski Pratama Rumampuk. Right. Part A summary. The video cognitive, physical, psycholinguistic 55 language in animals devolves into the comparative study of communication system in analysis and human. It explores the extent to which animals' communication ability feature to human language, such as abilities, difference, productive, and daily of returning. The present discuss various research studies involving primates, birds, other animals to assess their communicative ability. Notably, the video highlight experiment with cognitive and bonafide or site to convey message. They discuss capabilities of animals' communication in relative to the complex starts of human language. Okay, the next part B, analyze. The video effectively illustrates the physical-linguistic topic of animals versus human communication by present experienced student that assess the linguistic capabilities of animals. The one kind compact discussion is the idea of productivity in language, the ability to generate an understanding in infinite number of sentences. While some animals can learning assets, so symbols or sites their use tend to be limited to specific context listening to the generative experience to human language. The video also touch upon this means the speaks specially to communicate about things not present in the immediate environment. Human language allow for discussion about present event, future plans, or abstract. Communication is generally tied to immediate stimuli or needs. For instance, perfect monkey have specific alarm calls for distance resource, but their calls are the difference like to present dangers and do not convey information about past or future event. Okay, the next material we read Reski Pratama Rumampuk.
My name is Muhammad Reski Pratama Rumampuk, and I will continue the material that was present by my college previously. Another important aspect is duality of pattern where a finite set of meaningless units like phonemes can be combined to create meaningful units like words, which can then be combined into sentence. Human language exhibits this feature extensively, allowing for complex and nuanced expression. Animal communication systems, however, often lack this hierarchical structure with signals being holistic and not easily broken down into smaller, recombinable units. A video reference studies involving primates using lexicograms or sign language, such as the case of kanji, the bonobo. While kanji demonstrate the ability to understand and use a set of symbols to communicate desires or responses, his use of language lacked the syntactic complexity found in human language. This suggests that while some animals can acquire elements of human-like communication, there are inherent limitations in their linguistic capabilities. And see reflection. Watching this video has deep, deepened my understanding of the fundamental difference between human language and animal communication. It highlights that while certain animals can learn to use symbols or signs to communicate, their system lack the complexity, flexibility, and generativity of human language. This underscores the unique cognitive and neurological underpinnings of human linguistic ability. The insight gained are particularly relevant to language learning and teaching, as they emphasize the importance of innate cognitive structures in language acquisition. Understanding that human language is not merely a learned behavior but also relies on specific mental faculties can inform teaching methodologies that align with our natural linguistic capabilities. The video also the video also raises intriguing questions about the extent to which animals can develop more complex communication system and what this implies about the evolution of language. It prompts further inquiry into the cognitive capacities of animals and the potential for cross-species communication, which could have implications for fields such as artificial intelligence and animal welfare. Thank you.